Imagine sneezing and getting arrested. That actually happened. In ancient China, Emperor Zhenzong believed sneezing was a bad omen. Court officials weren't even allowed to sneeze near him. One poor guard sneezed mid-ceremony. He was exiled for inviting demons. That's one powerful achoo, and boom, arrested for treason. Lawyers debated for days, witnesses testified. Some claimed the sneeze was intentional. The punishment? Public shame and permanent silence. Yep, muzzled for life. So next time you sneeze, be grateful. You live in a time where bless you isn't a crime. Follow for more bizarre history before someone sneezes at your freedom.